Alright, so I just got that thing installed. I don't know if I mentioned. So this is my iPhone 11 I've been using a year now. It's been great. The wide angle lens is really good. The night mode, everything. The only problem I have is 64 gig. It's really just not enough storage for me. I ordered the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gig Pacific Blue version, and I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. I don't know if it's okay to show this, but I don't think there's a problem. This is the last time I'm gonna be using this phone. No, not technically, actually. I'm gonna actually still using this phone. I'm not gonna use it, but I'm gonna keep it. I'm not planning on trading in because the screen is broken. It really doesn't worth a lot of money. So see you guys tomorrow. So I just left from Apple Store. I just picked up my new phone. This is the first time, it's so strange. This is the first time that I don't have to back up the phone in the Apple Store because I'm not trading in my current phone. I'm gonna sell it so I can get like more value. Like it worth more. But yeah, right now I'm going to a supercharger because I only have 44 miles left. So yeah, I'm going to a supercharger right now. I'm gonna unbox it there. For this one, I only paid $89. That's why I didn't trade in the phone, because I did this is the first time I did the Verizon finance thing. Yeah, and oh my god, it works super good. Like you don't even have to do a credit. You have to do a credit check, but you don't have to enter any information because it's kind of linked to your Verizon account. Oh my god, wait. I need to put this camera away. I'm not driving super safe right now. All right, see you guys when I'm charging. So I just got here and the supercharger is right back there. I don't know if you, and right now this is the first time I'm ever in a line in a supercharger. Wow, my face is so red. It's probably because of this light over here. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox it right now. You know, this car, one thing I love it is, I don't know, this angle I just feel is cool. It's good for filming. Box is sleek. This is it. Oh wow. This is the first time I bought a profile. Oh my gosh, this is crazy cool. Wow man, this is cool. Oh god, this feels premium. This freaking red light really messed up my lighting here, but oh, this feels premium. Wow man. Oh, this is I feel like the best thing ever in my hands. First time opened up, I got the Pacific Blue version. This is so cool, man. Oh my gosh, today's a good day. Oh my god. Okay, let me exit. Oh my god, this is cool. Let's feel it. Oh my god, this thing feels premium. This is, loved it. All right, waiting for a supercharger. So yeah, time lapse mode.
We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there.
Alright, so what's going on guys, and future me here. So I am currently editing this video you guys are watching right now, and I just realized something. So I'm currently editing the iPhone footage I first shot, and this is the iPhone footage I first shot with the wide angle lens. Everything was good viewing on the here, but when I drag it into my timeline, it will pop up saying adding HDR clip to SDR project. It's saying it's not gonna work, it's gonna bugged up. After I click OK, this entire clip looks super strange and weird, like overexposed. So yeah, I know this thing gonna happen. I really hope YouTube gonna convert this footage HDR content to SDR, otherwise it's just gonna look like this YouTube when I upload it in this clip. And this is one of the problems you guys will facing if you buy this phone is Dolby Vision HDR. It's great, but it's had like a completely different editing process, which I haven't figured out yet. It should be easy, but I haven't figured it out yet. All of my other footage shot in on other camera in here is SDR, so this is HDR. When I drag my content on here, it's not gonna work. So I just gonna play it like this before I figure it out. If you purchase this phone, you don't know how to edit HDR content, content, this is one of the reality you're gonna face. Oh, right now, this phone, I'm shooting on the phone. I turned off the Dolby Vision HDR. That's why this clip, at least this clip, is good. It's normal. So one thing I really don't like, not really don't like, but one of the problem is this is still like same exactly wide angle. I think it's a Dolby Vision HDR thing. I don't even know how to edit yet, but yeah, had fun edit this. Future me. Take one stop, getting some pizza. Look at this telephoto lens. This is optical. This is not digital. This is, I don't know, 65mm. Wow, this is optical. This is the first time I've done. This is the first time I've done that type of zoom on a camera, on a phone. I mean, actually, you know what? Usually when I film some of my like slow motion B-roll, I film it with my DSLR. If I don't have that with me, don't film it at all, because it probably doesn't look good at all. But you know, this time, let me try it. I'll say it's okay. So basically, after using this phone, this is 12 Pro Max for about 2 days now, I'll say it is complicated. So I switched from 11. Everything pretty much is an upgrade for me. The screen is an upgrade, camera is an upgrade. I got telephoto, I got wide angle, night mode. I got better low light in the main one. I got a lighter. I got Dolby Vision HDR. The display is a huge upgrade. The feel, the premium feel, you definitely don't get from those battery phones like 12 or 12 Pro. I mean, like 12 or 11. Yeah, is this an upgrade? Definitely yes, especially this color. You know, you walk on the street, everybody like, oh, is that a new iPhone? Especially for right now, it didn't came out for a really long time. A lot of people still can't get it because Apple Store is all like appointment is maxed up. You can't get it. The main reason I got this one is because my 11 is 64 gig. Really need bigger storage. This one does have bigger storage, and that's pretty much the only reason I upgraded where I want a new phone. Yeah, except that I probably don't need it. So yeah, I just spent half of my video talk about iPhone, even though this is not iPhone unboxing video. I'm gonna put a title as iPhone unboxing, you know, because it might give me more views, you know. So yeah, this is a vlog actually. But yeah, if you like my channel, if this is the first time you see my video, I do mainly doing vlog, but I also do some kind of like a tech video or car video. I do video on my Tesla, I do video on new iPhone each year. I pretty much do one each year now. I do video on camera gears because I'm a camera nerd. Otherwise, except those, my channel is basically mainly for vlog. Also talk about a little tech stuff. If you like it, please subscribe. I haven't get a subscriber for a long time. A lot of people watch my video, they doesn't really subscribe, they doesn't really comment, so please subscribe. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.